Right, I've just done a state of activation, Kearney Bryn, up that way, and I've come back and I needed a bit of something to eat before I do my gambling, which is that way. So I thought I'd test out one of these. It's a Firepot meal. I've had these before and I thought I'd give a demonstration of it. No, I'm not sponsored, there's no sponsorship on this channel. I just thought I'd show it off. Mini dehydrated meal, I've only got like the basic, the taster one. Obviously they come in bigger packets. This one, gluten free, lactose free, and it's chili con carne with rice. 300 calories per pack. Easy instructions: open the pouch, remove the oxygen eater sachet, pinch the mark at level 5, pour 175 ml of boiling water up to the correct level, stir well, seal, and let stand for 15 minutes, stir again and enjoy. It's as simple as that. So let's find somewhere to set up the camp stove and let's see how we get on. Right, so there's water in. I've stirred it and now I've got to seal it up and wait for a bit. Right, it's got a bit busy and sheep over there is doom mad and it keeps bleating. So it's been over 15 minutes and hopefully you can see that I don't want to spill stuff in my car. It looks alright. Let's give it a stir and like that. Hopefully you can see that. I'll have to clean the car up more. Yeah. It's gone a bit cool, but been sitting there 15 minutes, so not too bad. Firepot meal. Eat one in the wild. Or in the lay-by up the Ponderosa. Something different anyway. Right, see you in the next one.